been too long that I remember the feel of the sun on my skin. Even though this is most ill tidings, I do find this weather rather gorgeous, don't you? I must say it's gorgeous, really gorgeous. Oh, revelry! Don't hit me in the riffraff! Oh, that's it, poppycock. Snowball fired! I think that's what it's called. I've been hit, and I shan't go on. Leave me here. It's pelting me with its vigor. I fear I have done some wrong to the snow to make it so violent against me. I know not what I've done to you. Please, be gentle. Once such a delicate and gorgeous thing, now so viciously accosting. Look at me, my petticoat, 6 inches in snow, at least, perhaps 12. If heaven be merciful, please let it be warmer than this. Oh, most inventive. Look at how he sails upon the snow. Simply marvellous what he's done with that. It's like magic. Really remarkable. Really gorgeous, really.